Is it tight right here?
A little bit, yeah.
I feel it. It's starting there and it goes all the way up.
Deep breath and let it out. There you go. Very good. Perfect.
Ooh. Oh.
So what I want you to do is just drop your...
Ooh. That was good. Okay. Oh. How did your body crack like that? That's crazy.
Oh! Hey guys, at the Clerge, a DMV chiropractor, and I'm here today with Marianne. So you found us on YouTube?
Yes. And Instagram.
And Instagram.
But YouTube first.
Okay. So are you stalking us?
I mean...
Not really? Okay.
I mean, low-key. I mean, I watch your videos if I go to sleep a lot.
Actually, a lot of the like subscribers, they'll say that. They're like, oh, you know, the videos put me to sleep. Like even the massages. Yeah.
They
like,
actually, it's weird, but they actually do. They actually do.
I've tried watching chiropractic videos. I don't know, maybe because I'm a chiropractor, I have no interest in it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, you know.
Yeah.
But I guess the cracks kind of like it's intriguing to some people.
Yeah, and especially because if you want it, you can like vicariously live through that.
That's true too. Yeah,
It's weird,
because
but-
that is true. Because I've had folks say, "Oh, I feel the relief just from watching that." You know what I mean? Okay, so you came in with stiffness, aches, soreness, mainly neck and upper back. But during the examination, we also noticed there was some tightness with that lower portion as well, right? So we're going to start with some stretches first. Okay, just to kind of loosen you up, increase your muscle flexibility, your range of motion, and then after that we'll adjust you. Okay, and that'll take care of the spinal joints, and then we'll top it off with some massages to kind of really help with tension. Okay?
Sounds good.
All right, so I'm going to have you on your back. Okay, so you can do whatever you feel like with your hands. There you go. And I'm going to stretch the neck area first, okay? Are you ready? So just take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Good. If anything feels painful or uncomfortable, you let me know. And relax. Good. Let's go again. Deep breath. And let it out. There you go. Very good. Perfect. Let's go to the other side. We're going to do the same thing. I want you to take a deep breath for me. And let it out. There you go. Good. Perfect. Let's go again on the same side. Deep breath. Let it out. And relax. Good. Perfect. Let's go back to the center. All right. So now, just drop your head in the palm of my hand and just relax. We're gonna go to this side. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit and pull. Good. Is that uncomfortable?
No, just tight.
Just tight. Gotcha. Let's do it one more time. Relax your head. Drop your head down. And we're gonna pull to the other side. Good. Perfect. Let's go to this side. Drop your head in the palm of my hand. Raise it up a bit. And there you go. Good. Perfect. One last time. Drop your head down. Deep breath. Let it out. And relax. Good. Perfect. Okay. And now we're just going to do a pulling motion and kind of distract, okay? So just relax. Good. Perfect. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Relax. Good. Is that painful? How does that feel?
I felt that in my lower back.
You're the second person who said that. Deep breath. Let it out. There you go. Good. Let's go again one more time. Deep breath. Let it out. And relax. Perfect. Okay. How did that feel?
Good.
Good. Not you're a little tight.
Yeah.
But that was,
was
expected
good,
though.
though.
Yeah. Okay. Let's have you sit up for me. And what I'm gonna have you do, you can actually go a little closer. Perfect. You're going to take a deep breath. Let it out. Lean in. Good. And bring it back. So one more time. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Lean in to the corner. Good. And come back out. Good. Good. Deep breath. Let it out. And going this way. Good. Perfect. There you go. So with this stretch, you should feel it here, and you should feel it so here, and then you should feel it up here as well. Okay. Let's have you come back. Have a seat. You're going to interlock both hands behind your head for me. Good. Okay. And we're going to do a pulling motion. So take a deep breath for me. Let it out. When it gets uncomfortable, you let me know.
Right there.
Right there. It's tight, huh? Ready? Take a deep breath. Let it out. When it gets tight, let me know. Right there. Okay, good. I want you to take a deep breath. Let it out. And relax. Let me know when.
There.
Right there. Good. Perfect. Okay. Let your arms down. We're going to do one last stretch.
Okay.
They're going to be on the table. Both legs are going to be this way on the table.
I'm not.
You're going to be facing the wall. And you're going to be sitting.
Okay.
What you're going to do, you're going to act like you're reaching for both feet.
Okay.
And I'm going to push you forward. You're going to feel it in your hamstrings, and you'll feel it in your lower back as well. Okay? So let's go ahead and act like we're reaching for both feet. Deep breath. Let it out. Relax your body. There you go. Good. Let's go back up. One more time. Deep breath. Out. Relax your body for me. There you go. You'll feel it in your hamstring and you'll feel it in the lower back. Perfect. Good. We're going to do it one last time. This time I'm going to push a little bit harder, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and take that deep breath for me. Let it out. And I want you to relax as much as you can. Good, 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 good. There you go. Perfect. That's good. Okay. All right. Get up. Kind of like shake it off for me a little bit. And then now we're going to do some popping already,
Yeah.
And we're going to go ahead and start with the adjustments. Okay, I need you to just relax for me.
Okay.
Keep holding onto the arm. Good. Perfect. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Relax.
Ooh. Oh. Oh my god. That was good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Any pain?
No. No.
When most people hear that loud crack, they think it's painful, but it actually feels pretty good.
That was good.
Mm-hmm.
I needed that.
Let's go to the other side. I'll beat the lumbars a bit. So take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Relax. Good. This side is not as bad as this.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Let's have you sit up. Okay. Now, the next area we're going to focus on is going to be up top. Okay.
Okay.
That's where most of your issues are.
Yeah.
Now, this is extremely tight. Like when I did the palpation and when I was pressing down. So this adjustment sometimes won't work for it if it's too tight.
Okay.
So then we'll do it a different way if it doesn't work.
Okay.
So I'm going to have you stand up right in that position. Put your hair out the way a little bit here. Okay. So So now you're gonna put both of your hands on top of my hands. Go underneath your hair. Good. And lock your fingers. Good. I'm going to bring you back. So bring your elbows together for me. Squeeze your elbows. Okay, yeah, you're too tight for that. All right. Yeah. Usually you hear. You can slide back from me a little bit. Perfect. All right. So this one is focusing in the upper portion, okay? The occipital and the upper cervicals. You're nervous? Could hear it in your voice.
Here we
So
go.
you just gotta relax.
Okay.
Just slight rotation. Drop your head down. Good. So I know you're nervous, so relaxing might be a little difficult. So what I want you to do is just drop your. Oh!
Oh my god.
Wow. How did your body crack like that? That's crazy.
What it is, the gases are escaping from the fluid that surrounds your joints.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Any pain?
No.
Good. All right. So see, it's not that bad though, right?
It's not.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
just dramatic.
It's it looks barbaric, you know, but it's really smooth and it's in and out and it feels good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Like I'm floating.
Yeah. All right.
I like this part.
So once again, slight rotation. Good. Drop your head down. Good. Oh, this side's a little tighter. So let's count down from 5. So when we get to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we'll hit it. Okay? Are you ready? So we're gonna count from 5. When we.
Ow. I knew you was gonna do that. Oh, my hair's still on.
It's still attached.
That was good. That was good.
Any pain?
No.
No pain.
No.
All right. So get up, move around for me. Let me know how that feels.
Feels fine.
Not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad.
Okay. All right. Bring both legs up. This goes underneath. Good. All right. So I'll do a few pulls first. You let me know how it feels, okay?
Okay.
You shouldn't feel pain. You should feel the tension of me pulling. Okay. All right. How does that feel?
Like the other stretch you did.
Like the other stretch I did.
Mhm.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. Go ahead, take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Good. How does that feel?
Feels fine.
Feels fine. Okay, good. Go ahead and take one big breath. Out.
Oh! Oh! Wow. Okay, I definitely got that mid area.
Yeah.
Oh.
How far down? Mid back? Low back?
Yeah, mid back.
Mid back?
A little bit of lower, but
Lower.
mostly mid.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah.
Mm.
You felt that decompress all the way down?
I did.
Uh-huh.
I did. I did.
Your friend is dying.
Yeah, I'm just trying to take it in.
Try to take it in.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that was good. Not as bad as I thought.
Not as bad, right? Yeah. Well, all the adjustments, you know.
Yeah.
Like even like when I'm on top of the table because it's so loud.
Right.
So most people think it's painful. You know, it's actually feels pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring you up. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. All right, let's have you come up. All right, let's have you come up.
Thank
Stand
you.
up. You're welcome. Move around. Let me know how you feel overall. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I feel good.
Feel good?
Yeah.
There's better movement.
Yeah, the movements are better, right? Yeah.
Especially my neck.
Especially that side to side. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to do massages to take care of any tension, okay?
Okay.
So this will feel really good. They'll take care of the neck for any tension,
Okay.
upper, mid, and lower back.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You got it.
Blessed hands. I said blessed hands.
You feel it already?
No, but I mean, I was telling Dr. Claire that I watch her on YouTube, so I'm ready.
I was like, dang, I just got started. I just relax completely, okay? What's the pressure?
Good. Excellent. I want you to take a deep breath for me. Good.
Let it out. Good. I want you to do it again. Perfect. Let it out. Comfortable? Good. Deep breath in. Let it out. I'm gonna come back. Relax your head completely. I'm not pulling your hair, am I? Am I pulling your hair?
No.
Okay. Just leave me alone, sorry. Most of the attention is here?
Yeah.
I feel it. Lucky you, this is my favorite.
And in like the mid area too, but a lot of it is up there.
Yeah, I feel it.
That's the elbows for me.
And these elbows are blessed.
Amen.
I want you to breathe in for me. Slowly breathe out. Good. Let it out. Breath. Let it out. Is that comfortable? Could you relax it here?
That's good.
Deep breath. And out. Again. Let it out. You felt that?
Good move.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, they all gonna move. I don't play that game. I don't play that. We getting them out. I just need time to break everything down. Loosen everything up. There's another one. Deep breath. Let it out. Not too much pressure, is it? Deep breath. Let it out. There we go. This one's stubborn.
It's been a while.
Yeah. Whew. Take them deep breaths for me, okay? Is it tight right here?
A little bit, yeah.
I feel it. It's starting there and it goes all the way
Yeah.
up. It's all stuck in here. I feel it right there.
right
There you go.
there.
There you go. Breathe in for me. Good. Deep breath. And out. Keep breathing through it. taking forever because it's, whew.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, there it go. That was good. There you go. Feel it? I'm sorry if it's painful. Breathe through it for me. But I was trying forever to get that. Ugh. Breathe in. Breathe out. Drop the arm down for me. Relax. Bring it up here. This one too. It's all breaking down.